Hi guys, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can get an incognito window. So if you want to go on your Google Meet with your students and not have to worry about any of your previous searches showing up as suggestions or any open tabs that you like to leave open in your Google Chrome, they won't have to see any of those. So you would, before you join Google Meet, you would go up in the top right-hand corner where these three dots are next to your letter or your photo, and when you click on those, you will have the option of having a new incognito window. When you click on the new incognito window, you will now get a dark version of Google Chrome. All your bookmarks will still be here. You'll still be able to get to these different websites, but they shouldn't have pre-saved your logins. You would have to log in again. It doesn't save those settings. So now when you go to meet.google.com, it doesn't have any of your previous information. You'll have to sign in with your own Google, or you can sign into your Google Classroom and get to Google Meet that way. Or if you're trying to present your screen, you can show students things from YouTube, and not have to worry about any of your previous searches coming up in the background. None of your YouTube things that you have saved. You're not logged into your own personal account. It's just a blank YouTube page. So you don't have to worry about any previous searches or any previous information that you have stored. It's a blank version of Google Chrome. And then when you're finished with your incognito window and you close it out, also anything that you did in that incognito window is gone. So those settings won't be saved to your computer. Happy sneaky searching.